Hello everyone and welcome to Heidi's Home. So today I am doing a very quick Walmart haul to show you guys what I have purchased to finish out the month and get us to May 1st. It's hard to believe that we're going into May. So I'm going to show you real quick. So the first thing I got was this giant can of classic roast coffee. I just opened our last one, so I needed to get another one. Also got these here little capsules for my new Verissimo coffee pot. This is the blonde espresso. Some skim milk. Some sweet and spicy barbecue sauce. Some chicken broth. We've got some carrots and peas that are frozen, mixed vegetables. Some peppers and onions that's frozen. I got me a Asian style salad kit to eat one day this week because I'm going to be doing some running around. Some giant tortillas, two loaves of bread, a thing of turkey meat, some hot sausages, a thing of mayo. See what else we got. I got 2 things of northern beans. I'm not going to be eating this many beans by the end of the month, but I am definitely going to put these up for a rainy day. This is hot Jimmy Dean sausage. 2 things of bologna for my boyfriend. Is that you, baby?
I'm your boyfriend. I'm your whole man.
Yep, he's my whole man.
I'm your rolling man.
He's my husband. There's my butter and some cheese. Also got some cottage cheese also for my husband. Got me some turkey breast meat, some mozzarella cheese, 18-count eggs, a pack of drop cloths. This is a 3-pack. I'm going to be painting the office this week sometime. Also got my husband this Spam. This is their brand. It was on sale today. And a thing of 30-gallon black trash bags. And that is it. That's all I purchased today. I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick, very quick haul. But this will get us to the end of the month. I'll show you all my meal plan and show you kind of what I'm going to be doing this month so you know. I also want to show that I did get a thing of apples for myself and 2 cans of cream of chicken soup and 1 box of Jiffy Mix. That was hiding over here in amongst the stuff and I missed it. So that's it. Okay, this is a rough draft and terrible handwriting and everything probably is misspelled, but I am going to show you guys what we are going to be cooking. Not necessarily in this order. I'm just trying to utilize everything that I have left in my pantry, in my freezer, and in my fridge because I do not like to waste anything. So I'm just tried to think ahead so that what I bought today would correlate with what I've already have to make meals for until May 1st. Okay, so cream of chicken and biscuits because I had 2 whole chickens in my freezer that I can thaw and bake in no time. Pull the meat off, make cream of chicken. That's no big deal. I've got some pork chops. We could make some rice to go with that or some potatoes. I already had the sauce and the stuff to make the pizza dough. And I already had the sausage for the pizza in my freezer. So we're going to have pizza one day. I've got some cube steak left, so I'm probably going to do fajitas again and just utilize it. It's a small pack, but it'll be enough for me and my hubster. Then I bought some turkey meat, so I was thinking burgers and fries. I've got some ribs that we can cook, so that's why I've got the barbecue sauce and also got the bratwurst. Today, well, actually, the hot Italian sausage. And we can have that one day. And so that pretty much sums it up. I do have one day with nothing written down, but one of these will probably go for 2 days. Either the pizza or the cream of chicken.
Probably the pizza.
You think the pizza?
Yeah.
We'll go
make 2
for
2 of them.
Yeah, I'll make 2. And it'll go for more than one day. Hopefully that helps y'all out. Hope y'all are having a fantastic day. And yeah, let me know what you all are eating this week. And I hope y'all have a fantastic week. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment. And I will be talking to you all again soon. Bye-bye, guys.